Good afternoon, YouTube. What's going on, Pyro Nation? I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I've been hard at work, if you can see. I've got 6 10-shot racks that I built. One 10-shot rack of from the G-Force tubes. I've got a case of those. Probably gonna do a demo from those real soon. I've got 1, 2 Roman candle racks, and in the back I got a rocket rack. We put 8 rockets on each side. So I don't know if you've seen these Black Cat rocket jet. Probably gonna shoot a couple of them off. We got a red corset, a crackling gold, sizzling green corset, a red corset. So and then over here, got a case of the Absolute Power with giant silver tails by Winda. Full case of those right there to go along with my stash. Probably gonna do another stash real soon, so I'm getting real close. But all right.